Blessings. It's good to have you coming through my website. It's a blessing. I believe that you're going to be blessed as you browse through this website. My name is Evangelist Edward Portin, and I want to welcome you. I want to take this minute to also impress on your heart that you are not a failure and you are not a disappointment. And it does not matter what the enemy is telling you, it is a lie. As we read out of the book of Colossians chapter 2 verse 14, we see it clearly that God, Jesus Christ, our Savior, took all these things that the enemy is telling you and nailed it to the cross, saying that he's wiped it away. Now Galatians 3:13 makes a statement that the curse is broken because Jesus became a curse for you. So anything the enemy is trying to impress upon you, to discourage you, to make you feel like you are a failure, a disappointment, you've fallen short, I came to announce to you that Jesus Christ wiped it all and nailed it to the cross. And as you spend time on this website and we get to know each other, whether by tweeting me or whether by emailing me or calling me, we're going to have a good time knowing that God still loves you.